Here we have a rectangle with a perimeter of 30 inches, and it says that its length is 3 times its width. So here we have W. We don't know what the width is, but we know the width, and then the length is 3 times that. So to find the perimeter, what we want to do is we want to add all the side lengths together. And it says that the perimeter is 30. So we can know right away that this is going to be equal to 30. So we have 2 sets of 3W plus W. You could also write it the other way around with 2 sets of W and 3W. You could also write it as 6W plus 2W, or maybe even just 8W equals 30. Then it says, what is the width of the rectangle? So like I just said, we're going to simplify this. Here we've got 4, and all of that is multiplied by 2. Then this is 8. W equals 30. So to solve for the width, what we have to do is divide by 8. We're left over here with W. 8 divided by 8 is 1, so we're left with 1W over here. And on this side, we get 3.75. So the width of our rectangle is 3.75.